copy and paste this prompt. I have put it in the description for this video. Hit start and let ChatGPT do its magic. Sometimes it will freeze due to the amount of information. Just stop generating, type proceed with table formatting, and start again. Then it will generate the table with the 3 columns needed for data to paste into your Canva video. When in Canva, you will choose the option for mobile video size. After that is set up, you will go to the elements in the sidebar. Go to videos, then see all. After that, type in what you are looking for and put a video as the video background. Now that is done, it is time to connect data in Canva to be used for your bulk edit. First step is to go to Apps in the sidebar and then select Bulk Edit. Then this table will show up. Go back to ChatGPT and copy as many data sets as you want for that video background. I chose 3 to demonstrate, but you can do 50 plus at a time. Now you are going to paste the info copied from ChatGPT into this table on Canva. Next, add text to the video. The text should be what the data will say. So in this case, category Part 1 and Part 2. Now that the text is added, you will connect it to the data you uploaded to the bulk uploader. Click on each body of text and then click the 3 dots and click on Data Connections. Then you can assign each text block to the proper data connection. Finally, you will want to click on Part 1 and Part 2 and edit the timing. That way Part 1 is first, then Part 2. Do 3 seconds Part 1 and 3 seconds for Part 2. Once this is done, you can overlap the text for Part 1 and 2 as they will show up in the same place in order now. Next and final step is to go back to the bulk editor and hit Continue to connect the data you input to the video text. There you go. 3 videos with the ChatGPT facts are created. Again, you can do this up to 50. I just chose 3 for the purpose of this video. I also like to do 3 to 5 per fact for one video background. That way I avoid repeats. Repeat these steps with some minor differences to create bulk images using ChatGPT and Canva. First step, go back to ChatGPT and copy the next sets you want to add for images. Go back to Canva and find the size you want to edit. I typed in social post and picked a template I liked. Edit the image template to fit your brand. For this example, I changed the name to my name, the @ to my company name, and then removed the photo but kept the frame, and input my photo. Highlight the old text and delete it to yours. In this example, I put part 1, part 2, and category to connect it to my data. Now the images are created and you can update them as needed in regards to font size, moving text lines, etc. Then name each page something to make it easier to find on your saved files later. Go to